Today's mobile apps are amazing. The apps that succeed are generally beautiful and well designed. But going from a beautiful app design to an actual running app can be quite difficult. Introducing Pixate. What if building beautiful mobile apps wasn't hard? Imagine building an app like this and then making it beautiful simply by styling it through CSS. This is the cornerstone of Pixate, our advanced native CSS styling engine. The real-time Pixate visualizer is a great way to demonstrate our CSS engine.
As you can see here, the CSS on the left is live. As we make edits to the text, the preview on the right updates. We're actually styling controls live in this application.
Imagine styling your entire app this way. Making changes would be as easy as changing the style sheet file. Okay, great, but how does it all work? It all starts with the Pixate graphics engine.
The Pixate graphics engine consists of vector graphics, includes image effects. These are all 2D images. It's resolution independent and scalable, meaning that you can use the same image on any device at any resolution.
So by putting together some of these concepts, you can see the kinds of things that are possible with Pixate. Here you see a simple button demo using CSS that changed both the shape and the color on both Android and iOS. So in practice, what might this look like for developers? Here's a simple Xcode project. We've added a label. We're going to add a user-defined runtime attribute called style sheet. That'll just be the name of the style sheet that you've included in your project. Here's that style sheet, and you can see here for label, we're adjusting color, font size, and so on. We click run, and there you see the iOS label styled with our gradient. For designers, the workflow can be just as straightforward. What if you could design your application in Photoshop but never have to actually export any bitmaps at all? Here you see a gradient in Photoshop along with its corresponding layer effects information. Here you see in real time the Pixate visualizer has imported those settings as a CSS style, and then here in the Pixate visualizer you can see how we've applied that style to the navigation bar. No code required and all in real time.
Your life needs a little organization, put it in the den. Meet Sarah. Sarah is a wife, a working mom, a friend, and a weekend athlete. Today, Sarah will have a normal, busy day. She will get her family ready for school, go to work, go grocery shopping, coordinate her kids' after-school activities, go out with friends, and cook dinner for her family. Luckily, Sarah is a FamilyDen user. FamilyDen sends Sarah a reminder on her cell phone that her daughter has a school dance tonight, which reminds Sarah to add a task for her husband to pick her up afterwards. A discussion with her friends about Friday night's plans has been updated, and she quickly sends a reply that updates them on Facebook and email. Her son's baseball coach has posted a request for a parent to bring snacks to their upcoming game, so Sarah posts a list to the team's Facebook group of the snacks she will bring. Her daughter's cheerleading squad's upcoming tournament has a new discussion about carpooling, so Sarah adds a list of the kids she is planning to take, which updates the squad's Facebook group and email list of other team parents. New items have been added by the family to her grocery list. She quickly reviews the new items and finds online coupons and sales for her local stores. Her son's chore list shows a few tasks still unfinished, so Sarah sends him a text message to give him a little push. Sarah is able to stay connected with her friends and family through social networks, email, and text messaging, while keeping it all organized in FamilyDen. With one place to manage your family, friends, and community, Sarah can spend more time living her life and less time planning it.
Time is the most important asset, and most of us can't accomplish everything we want in life because we constantly run out of time or don't have resources to pay for the things we need. Now envision the world without currency, where everybody is exchanging service for service absolutely free. Swap Your Time platform allows you to gain more time while receiving things that you need in exchange for things you love doing. It's simple and free. For example, You like walking dogs but hate cleaning. You can swap your time with somebody who likes cleaning and you can walk their dog. Or you like doing graphics but don't like doing data entry. You can swap your time with somebody that loves data entry but needs a graphic designer. You can do it in your neighborhood or around the globe. Swap Your Time allows you to choose a geographical area where you would want to exchange services within. The possibilities are endless. So how does it work? When you register on our platform through a social media account, you receive 5T. T stands for time, our virtual currency. Every time you find a service you need, you can swap your time for free. If you are busy, you can just buy it with T. If you need more T to complete a transaction, you can either earn time or purchase time from us. Have too much time and need extra cash? You can always sell your time to us. The best news is our virtual currency appreciates in value over time, so you can receive more services for less.
Hi, I'm Andrew, the creator of the Legal Ark, a mobile app which is a police interaction tool that gives anyone the ability to exercise their rights fully. We understand here at Legal Ark that everyone is not afforded the time to dive into state statutes and the Constitution. And even those who do forget important details when they're under pressure. At the end of the day, regardless of who knows and who doesn't, we have rights. Sometimes things such as qualified immunity could prove to be an obstacle because it shields law enforcement officers from accountability in areas where someone's constitutional rights may have been violated. By exercising your rights correctly, you ensure the officer knows so that your rights are clearly established. Ignorance of the law is not an excuse for anyone. Everyone should know their rights and how to fully exercise them. So I created this app, and our goal is to provide everyone with the information they need without ever having to pick up a law book. So simple that even a 7-year-old could use it. It allows for an individual to record while having instant access to laws regarding your encounter without having to exit your recording instance. I feel this changes the playing field. By knowing your rights and the rights of the officer, it removes confusion that might exist, creating a smoother transition of any encounter for both the person and the officer. It creates confidence and improves a better understanding of the law. The more you use it, the more you learn. By donating to this Kickstarter, you help fund application maintenance, application upgrade, research, and our transition to Phase 2, which moves past police interaction and into laws regarding civil, family and criminal law, and their procedures. I hope you like what you hear. Like, share, and follow. Help the Legal Ark become a solution of the future.